Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions, where we discuss the back exercise of NCERT Physics, Chemistry and Biology. And today we are discussing the chapter Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. That is the first chapter of your class 12th NCERT book. Right? Clear to you? यहाँ पर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं द 8th क्वेश्चन विच इज़ आस्किंग मेंशन द स्ट्रैटेजीज इवॉल्व टू प्रिवेंट सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन इन फ्लावर्स. फ्लावर्स में सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन प्रिवेंट करने के लिए एक्चुअली चिल्ड्रन द plants have devised some strategies which we call outbreeding devices, in which what happens, the first way to prevent self pollination is that flower, if let's say this is a bisexual flower and it has both the reproductive organs, it has male reproductive organs, stamens also, and it has pistil also. So what is going to happen, that either the anthers will release pollen grains much before the stigma becomes receptive. So let's say stigma has not become receptive, stigma is not receptive, so pollen grains will be released from the anthers, right? So difference in synchrony, difference in synchronization, so that's why the pollen grains of this particular flower won't be able to pollinate its own flower. This is the first case. In the second case, what could happen, that either the stigma will become receptive first, and pollens are not released. So children, this is the case where again self pollination will not take place. The pollen grains will be mature at different time, and stigma will become receptive at different time. If you look at the other case, second reason, that is dioecy. Dioecy is a condition where a plant produces only male or female flowers. Plant produces either male or female flowers. Right? So what is going to happen basically, children? Let's say this is a papaya plant, right? This is plant number A and this is papaya plant. Children, this papaya plant is only going to produce flowers which are having only male reproductive organs. So basically the kind of flowers present in this papaya plant are male type. If you look at another plant of papaya, maybe it is producing only female flowers. So children, basically when a plant is producing ya to male or female flowers, so in that case it is known as dioecious condition. So children, if the plant is dioecious, then it won't be able to self pollinate. Of course, it has to send its pollen grains to some other plant for cross pollination to take place. So these are the two reasons. Let's write them now, that what are the two ways by which the plant can prevent self pollination. Plant can prevent self pollination by practicing two outbreeding devices. Out of which the first one is non-synchronization between stigma receptivity and pollen release. Right? Clear to you? And second reason is that if the plant is dioecious, that is having only male or female flowers, that is produces either male or female flowers, then it always has to perform cross pollination. So I hope children this solution is clear to you, and if you like the video, do hit the like button, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.